Hello and welcome back to Karlova Design channel. Today we are gonna make a toothpick case which can also double as a needle case. You can find the link to the pattern in the description, and by the way, I am running a big sale right now. It's 50% off all the patterns, so go and grab yours for half the price. This is a quick small project. You can use your scraps for it. In terms of hardware, all you're gonna need is a small swivel hook, a Sam Browne stud or button stud, and a rivet or a Chicago screw. Let's get started. For the outer case, you're gonna need some 3.5 to 4 ounce leather, which is about 1.5 millimeters or 1.6, something around that. And for the inner case, I recommend something around 4 ounces, but it should be stiffer than the outer case. This is important so you can get it in and out easily. I know how that sounds, but okay, it's the same principle, folks. You're gonna need 4mm stitching irons, a hole punch, and it's good to have a buttonhole punch, but if you don't have it, you can just use common round punch and make a little cut. And for this project I'm gonna use a round twisted thread, 0.8 millimeter. Let's put the inner case together, and don't forget to attach the button stud before you stitch the whole thing. The sides on both parts are stitched with a baseball stitch because for any other type of stitch the access would be too complicated, as they are kind of stitched partially from the inside. So this is the most optimal type of stitch for these things. Well, I hope you're gonna do much nicer job here. The outer case is stitched the same way as the inner case, only that you have two parts, but they do not overlap. They have the same amount of holes, so they are stitched one next to the other. And again use the baseball stitch on the sides. Here is the rest of our hardware, and if you don't have a Chicago screw, you can use a rivet. This is it. I am super happy to finally have a toothpick case to carry my toothpicks around. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Also, if you want to help me finally get monetized, you can go and watch my other videos. I got a lot of nice stuff already on the channel. Also, don't forget to check out my other patterns. I think I have something around 90 of them, and there is some free stuff on the website as well. And if you want to start designing your own patterns, I also have a pattern design course available. Also, a few people had asked me if this case is going to fit a chapstick. I will make a different version for a chapstick later. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.